Hello hackers, let's build this 2000 rupees hardware pen testing gadget. So this is an USB Nugget. So today we are going to build this thing and we are going to use this thing as well. So watch the video till end, then you can know about how to build this thing and how to use this thing. Before getting into the video, just a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose only. We are not responsible for any kind of illegal activities as well. So I'm your hacker Naufal. Let's get into the video. So hello hackers. So let's get into the installation. So for this thing, you need a this microcontroller. So it's an ESP32S2 mini. You need a this microcontroller for USB Nugget, and this is the purchasing link. I will be give all the links on my description. So I think it's not a original one because the original ESP32S2 mini is getting around above 1000 rupees. So but it's okay. We can use this thing also. I already use this thing. So and you need a 1.3-inch OLED display. Uh, it depends on your opinion. Like you can go for a 0.96 inch. That's also enough. And then we need a this push button. We need a four push buttons. So and you need a this dot PCB for soldering purposes. Once you have all the things, then go to this website. So this is the hackgears.in/open source. So you can see here. So this is the link. I will give this link on my description. Once you go to this link, then you can take your ESP32S2 board. So I'm going to this thing. So this is the ESP32S2 board. And before you plug this data cable, you just need to hold this zero button. So this is the boot button. You can see here. So this is the boot button. It will be printed the zero on this thing. So I'm going to hold the button and I'm just going to plug my cable. So once you plug this thing, then release the button after 2 seconds. Okay. Then go to connect your device and it will be appearing like this ESP32S2. So then just connect the button. Once it will be connected, you can see there is a only one tool, the USB Nugget. You can just select this thing and upload it. The uploader will be started. It takes around 2 minutes to fully upload the program to this device. Once you upload it, then it's done. You can just assemble the product and you can use it. So once the flash completed, you just need to unplug the device and replug it again. So I'm going to replug this thing. So once you replug this thing, it will be make pop up. So now it's not make this thing. So I'm going to access my computer. So look, it's shown there is a USB drive E. So this is the default folders it makes. Okay. So this is the Linux and example prank folders are there. You can use your own folders as well here. So I'm going to create a Wi-Fi folder here. So on the Windows folder, I'm just creating the Wi-Fi folder. So for demonstration purpose, you can create any folder you want. Okay. And this is the .usb nugget config file. Once you open this thing, you can configure your Wi-Fi SSID and password here. So I'm going to configure this is the Nugget AP. So I'm going to leave this thing. But the password will be I'm going to change it for a hacker now full. So then you press the save, it will be saved. Okay. You can do if you need, you can change the password and SSID. So I'm going to leave this thing blank. And I'm just close this thing. Okay. So now we are going to assemble the things. Once you assemble the all connections, so I will be provided the connection here. So this is the circuit, guys. You can see. So this is the ESP32S2 mini board, and this is the OLED connection, and these all are the push button connections. Okay. So I'm going to show you like I'm also wrote this thing. Like you can if you don't know about how the PCB schematic, then you can use this thing. So the SDA OLED SDA pin goes to the GPU 33 pin on the ESP32S2 mini. Look, I mentioned here. So this is the 33. So you can make the connection as per this thing. OLED SDA pin goes to a GPU 33 and SCL or SCK pin goes to the GPU 35. Okay. Then VCC goes to the 3.3 volt and ground goes to the ground and then the push button as well here. Make a circuit as per this thing. Once the circuit finished, then you can boot your device. So I'm going to boot my device. So I already solved this thing. So this is the my whole circuit. So don't think about this thing. I just added it for my future updates. So I will be tell you on upcoming videos. So I'm going to boot this thing. So once you connect it, it will be shown that USB Nugget folder. Okay. Okay. So it will be shown all the folders. And I'm going to choose the Windows. If I go to example and press the color.txt, and it will be executed. You can see there it will be created the CMD and echo trying out some colors. That's it. It will be this thing. Okay. And the script will be completed. And it also has a Wi-Fi connection. I already told you. So I'm going to use this Wi-Fi connection. Just go to Wi-Fi section and look. It will be created the Nugget AP. You can change this Wi-Fi access point with the Nugget AP configuration. Okay. So I'm just connecting this thing. So once it's connected, go to your browser and type this IP address. It's 192.168. That's it. Once you look, it show the same page. So you can run your script here. So right now I'm going to run this same file. So I'm just going to run this thing. It also executed. Yeah. Okay. So you can also edit the payload here right now. I will show you guys. Just wait, it will be executed. Once it finishes, I will edit the codes. Okay. I think so. I'm going to show you the codes. We can edit this thing. So look, it's a code, but it has a one major problem. You can't be able to use any normal Ducky script here because they are use a wait. Look, in default Ducky script, you can like write a delay on there. Okay, but it has a wait. So instead of delay, they are using a wait, and instead of string, they are using type here. Look, so you can't be able to use the open source Ducky script here. You just need to write your own script, and you can also create the new script. Okay, example folder and payloads. I don't want this thing. Okay. So hackers, that is a two main major problem in this device. So the USB Nugget don't have a much memory capability, so you can't able to store a lot of script here. And it has a main major problem is it could not be able to handle the normal techie script because they wrote their own script for these things as, and you can't be able to use the normal ducky script like that you are used in your flipper zero and normal rubber ducky and wi-fi duck. This device not supported those scripts, so you need to write your own script for these things so we are going to solve this two problem and we are going to make our own USB nugget that supports a memory card and that also supports the normal ducky script as well, and it's also need to support the wi-fi connectivity as well. So next video we are going to build this thing. Stay tuned and follow for more updates.